How to hide chat in Roblox. Hello guys and welcome back to today's video. In today's video, I'm going to be teaching you on how you could hide the chat bar or the chat that appears in-game in Roblox. Now to be able to do this, you're going to click on your settings over here. Click on this icon. And then you're going to click on your settings. Now the process is very similar to all platforms, like for the desktop application, for the browser version, and for the mobile phone. Simply go to the settings. After that, you're going to have to click on privacy. And then in this section, this is where you will be able to control who can communicate with you. So as you can see, you can simply turn off the communication, which will disable or not allow anyone to chat you or have any messages in the world chat. And that's it. That is how you will be able to disable or hide the chat in Roblox. Hope you enjoyed the video. Leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.